In today's video, I will guide you through how to use Claude Code in Visual Studio Code. We'll start by installing VS Code, and then I'll show you how to connect and set up Claude Code inside Visual Studio Code. Using Claude Code in VS Code brings powerful AI assistance directly into your local development environment. Unlike basic autocomplete tools, Claude excels at handling complex debugging tasks, performing step-by-step logic tracing, understanding large code bases, and explaining the trade-offs within your existing projects. Whether you're fixing bugs, refactoring code, or trying to understand unfamiliar code, Claude can help you work more efficiently and make better development decisions. So, without further delay, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Then click on the first official Visual Studio Code website. Once the website loads, click on Download for Windows. This will start downloading the VS Code installer file. The file size is around 176 megabytes, so you'll need to wait a few moments for the download to complete. When the download is complete, right-click on the installer file and select Open to run it. After a few moments, the Visual Studio Code setup screen will appear. First, select I accept the agreement and then click Next. On the destination location screen, you can choose a different installation path if you want, or simply leave it at the default location on the C drive. Then click Next. Click Next again to continue with the default settings. Under Additional Tasks, check the box for Create a Desktop icon and then click Next. Finally, click Install, and the installation process for Visual Studio Code will begin. Now we just have to wait a few moments until the installation is complete. Alright, after the installation is complete, click Finish to launch Visual Studio Code. This is the Visual Studio Code interface. The first thing we need to do is install the Claude extension in VS Code. Click on the extensions icon on the left-hand side, and in the search bar, type Claude. You will see the Claude Code for VS Code extension. Click on the Install button. If a small pop-up appears asking for permission, click Trust, Publisher, and Install. The extension will be installed in a few seconds. If Windows asks you to allow the application through the firewall, select Allow Access for both private and public networks. Once the extension is installed, you will see the Claude icon appear in VS Code. Click on it. Next, click on the Claude.ai subscription button, and then click Open. Now, sign in using your Claude subscription account. After logging in, scroll down and click Authorize to grant VS Code access to your Claude account. And that's it. Claude Code is now successfully set up and connected in Visual Studio Code. You can now start chatting with Claude directly inside VS Code, ask coding questions, debug issues, generate code, explain existing code, and get help with the tasks you're working on. If this video helped you set up Claude Code in VS Code, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.